Hi, I'm Piyush, currently pursuing computer science engineering at ITM Skills University. I'm excited to share that I have been selected at Arasto Technology as SEO and Machine Learning Intern. The curriculum laid a solid foundation in both theoretical and practical aspects of computer science. The course, like data structures, algorithm, and Python programming, and the core web technologies, gave me the confidence to take real-world challenges. The hands-on labs and the mini projects especially helped me applying my learning in practical scenarios. I definitely work on multiple month-stack projects. A lot of them helped me for applying the internship and cracking the interviews of internships. I worked on Python programming. I worked with lots of UI UX design and React.js projects. My work on multiple month-stack projects and React-based UI UX design gave me a strong edge. I also explored machine learning with Python programming, worked on SEO optimization techniques for few dummy websites. This showcased my ability to handle both development and analytics, aligning well with my internship role. I have been offered a role of SEO and machine learning intern. My responsibility will include optimizing the content for search engines and using AI-driven strategies, working on automation tools, and possibly contributing to data analysis models that improves search performance and visibility. Contributing to projects on GitHub helped me to build a strong portfolio that employers could easily review. Participating in hackathon industry events not only helped me to learn, understand pressure, but also improved my networking and collaboration skills. This experience showcased the enthusiasm and readiness to solve the real-world problems. This all experience helped me to solve the real-world problem. Being at ITM Skills University gave me a unique edge. The industry-integrated curriculum, early exposure to tech stack training, and practical project-based learning prepared me to get a better job. The one-on-one mentorship session helped me to identify the strengths and improve my weakness area. Mentors guided me not just technically, but also in resume building, interview preparation, and career clarity. The mock interviews simulated the real-world scenarios, making me feel confident and ready during the actual selection rounds. One of the most exciting moments was presenting my live month-stack projects during the Tech Shows events. It gave me a sense of pride and motivation. I also enjoyed working late into the nights on hackathon out the best in all of us. If you are passionate about tech and want to learn through the real-world exposure rather than just textbook, ITM is the right place. My idea is to be proactive, explore different tech domains early, and build projects. If you are passionate about tech and want to learn through real-world exposure rather than just textbook, ITM is the right place. My advice is to be proactive, explore different tech domains early, and build projects. That's what sets you apart.